Hey people, so we are at the Comic Con and this is a gaming tournament on. It's so loud, but yeah, there's quite a few people. It's actually a serious tournament, but right now my child has been given some time to play, just probably 10 minutes. But yeah, as you can see, it's like there are like people on stage. It's a very loud place, really. This is my kid. It's very stimulating, this environment. And then there is a place outside called Comic Con. My child got a Venom toy, and then you get this bag also that's there. And yeah, my son says he's going to play.